Did you see Will?
Yeah.
You see Will?
We are here at the hotel, Will and Mimi, and also if you're Will or Mimi watching this, can you please just tell me something back? And look what he got. 3 cookies, and this. And we also got Dada. What is it?
Brisket.
Brisket. And this is what we got. And we just got the Buc-ees.
Cinnamon roll. Is the cinnamon roll good? 5-star, he said.
5-star.
Yeah, they have good cinnamon rolls here. It's a good breakfast, isn't it? I think it has Mountain Dew for later. Baja Blast. It's coming out. It'll come out right here.
Pancakes come?
Alright, so how this began. So yesterday we left around 2:30. After I got off of work, me and Dee got the day off. And Day once again was out for snow, and their schools were closed again today. So we started our trek. We got to Florence about, was it 10, a little after 10 o'clock? It's like 10:04, 10:05.
Yeah.
And got a Buc-ees. Looked around in there and topped up on the diesel before heading over to our hotel. Then woke up this morning right around 7:30 and went down and got breakfast there, which their breakfast is really good there. Better than a lot of other continentals we've been at. And then got back on the road again. And then we went through a ice snowstorm. Pretty much an ice storm. The roads were really bad, so I was glad to get through that, but my whole truck was like a sheet of ice. But now we're in Georgia, and we're headed to Daytona Buc-ees.
Hey guys, this is our next one of the road. We are the next Buc-ees. And only 1 more hour into Disney. And this is it's so warm here and it's so warm there.
Okay, hold on. Oh, you got it?
Here we are.
Where-
And Mama just looking for some stuff for snow this weekend. And
Mama's looking for stuff.
yeah, I don't know what she's looking for. But we also found some pretty nice water bottles over there.
Good, buddy.
Alright, we just stopped at Buc-ees. Now we're gonna do the car wash. David,
Almost to Disney.
we're almost to Disney, like an hour and a half. We're in Daytona. First time doing Buc-ees car wash.
I'm doing mine.
And we got a club melt.
My
That was
number-
really good. We shared it. David's doing his dot to dots.
What's that? What's that?
It's the car wash.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, wash.
Hey, how are you? Oh, look, Bucky just went by.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
Yeah.
Disney World.
We have arrived, finally. We probably got here about half an hour ago, and that was right around 5 o'clock. And I guess I booked it. I don't remember. We was like one of those last minute bookings because we decided to come a day early, and we're doing a 1-bedroom at Saratoga. So this is going to show you around because we're only doing this one night. Then we're going to check in a 1-bedroom over at the Wilderness Lodge or Copper Creek. And then we check in after that at our Treehouse Villas for the final part of our stay. So let's take a look.
Okay, hi. We're at our station. We got Disney.
What is this place called?
I forgot.
Saratoga Springs.
And we got a little golf monkey.
Okay, so we have, this is our living area, living room.
Mama, I don't do this.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
So this is our couch. It's pretty nice. Well, this is all one of our people that always go with us to temple. Okay, this is a pool.
We'll wait.
This is a pool, and we'll show you later on. This is a book of all the stuff if you're new here. And
Where's your bed?
what?
Where's your bed?
Here.
No, that's Pop-Pop's. Where's yours? Do you remember what happens? It's in here. It's in this room. Is it in there?
Huh?
Is it in there?
Can you help me? What is this thing?
You almost got it. Whoa.
This is my suite. And here's our TV. With a little Cheerio. I did not eat here. I did not put it there. Horsey
All right,
trophy.
let's show the other rooms.
Okay. This is our kitchen. It's a little small.
It's actually really big
Whoa,
compared to a.
This place is really small, but not a lot of space in here.
This
But,
is when you first walk in.
yeah. Mama, remember?
I know, but we don't need to show like the inside of the fridge. Okay, let's go this way.
And this is our table.
This is our table.
And we got a bathroom. And here is a toilet.
Separate door, big shower.
And there's a door here. How big is this? Ooh! This is pretty big. It's like 5 or 4 feet long. Gosh, my sock got wet. It's wet. Here's a bathtub. It's pretty big. And it's like 5 or 3 inches. Ooh! Oh, a sink. Okay, now come here. We also got a laundry room, but this is where someone else sleeps. And also, come on. So we got a washer and dryer maybe in here. Yep. A washer and dryer. I didn't even notice that.
Let's show the view from our porch.
Yeah.
We are staying at the Carousel.
We all one of the like 4th spots.
Yep, there's the entrance to Saratoga Springs right there. So we are like right here.
Wow.
We're only here for one night. We added this on after the fact. We added on extra night, so.
I'm going to show you the outside view. It's pretty warm here.
And there's Pop-Pop. In his
Pop-Pop.
truck.
Hey, Papa. Papa! Papa! Papa!
It's not a dog.
Hey! And that's people next door. But we also got one more place to show you.
We do.
Huh? A nice place, and well, you can like.
What is that called?
I don't know.
It's an ironing board.
Iron board, and this is where you do your power. Okay, this is just the door. This is the board.
Oh, I think someone's knocking.
Let's go see.
Oh, delivery.
Delivery.
Yep, here it is.
There's a carousel. Running trail?
Yeah, it's about 1.4 miles. Yeah, you might have said it. Oh, wow. Story time, Yoga.
There's another room down there.
So, but we have magnets, we have figurines, we have all kinds of.
Yeah, and a whole nother room.
I want it. Can we do that, please? Wait in this.
Yeah.
You got your marshmallows?
Yeah, we're done.
We have a lot of things always bringing marshmallows. But a family brought their jumbo marshmallows, and I was like, you can have one or two.
All right.
Let's get them all.
You gonna get them off and eat them?
It was like, and then I jokingly was like,
We are roasting s'mores.
from this morning. And he goes,
All right, Mama.
standing next to me telling me all of this, and I jokingly said that. He goes, I'll do it.
Here's Dada.
I didn't try it.
Breaking apart.
I have to bite it off.
It's a mess. Is it good?
Hot?
on me. Hear me like the sky fell on me, fell on me. I decided you would dwell on me, dwell on me. Let's go somewhere no one else can see you. Something like the sound down. Take you by the hand to another train. Drink it if you can.
We're looking at the cabins.
Now, have you seen it in person?
No.
We're at Saratoga, and then the other one's gonna be at Wilderness Lodge, which you never stayed there before, neither.
What?
Just as good as you remembered it. Get on it, baby. No, bye to keto. Get some of that sauce on there. Goodbye, keto.
More carbs than that one white and I've had since October.
She's a good girl.
All right, we're going to go back. Pop-Up's staying here to close them out because he's enjoying it too much, but we're going to go for the House of Blues. We're going to go back the back way. But Pop-Up is enjoying himself tonight, which is good. We're going to go back. Mama's getting tired.
Oh my gosh. Every time 9 p.m. comes around,
She turns into a pumpkin.
literally Cinderella story.
It's the Cinderella story every time, 9 p.m. All right, let's try this back path out. It'll be the first time for this.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get lost. Look,
Now, this is our outro. Make sure this is lined up. Yep. Good. There's David. So we're just kind of talking about everything that happened today because we probably videoed a lot and didn't talk as much.
Community hall.
We did community hall,
And then there was a bonfire.
and then we learned about some things community hall that
Yeah.
David can do, and
And
then
the bonfire?
David did bonfire, and then we did.
And
You
then we
better
saw
stop.
all
We did the spa. No, we went over to the fitness center, and we looked at the fitness center where she would go.
I mean,
And then I went and made a room request, and we'll see if we get it, for the Treehouse Villas, because we want to be closer to the path where we can walk over. So we have 3 options to do Disney Springs, and not just the 2. And then after that, we walked over to Disney Springs, and you saw everything. We did multiple bands, and we ended up at House of Blues, which then you saw too. Mr. Rob stayed at House of Blues because he enjoyed the band a lot. That's his thing, which I would have stayed with him. I was having a good time, but I could not let these 2 walk back by themselves, and they were getting tired. And Mama wants to enjoy that.
no,
But
I think-
we had a good day, fun day. Anything you want to say?
I do.
I don't know.
I do.
Okay, David does.
So we saw a cave, right?
Okay,
Saw the
arcade.
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 And also,
And look at the camera.
the people just beat us here.
Yeah, we got DVC
Oh,
locker
yeah.
delivered to us, which she told us to walk over to our room, and DVC locker was inside of it. So they beat us even. It was magic.
Yeah.
What?
I think they got like a bullet and then and come and get it and they go shoot.
Yes, imagination all the way. We're waking up tomorrow morning. Manny's gonna do yoga at 9, and then at 9:45 we have that special something which you'll see in the next vlog that David doesn't know about. And then after that, I think Papa wants to watch a football game. We booked a cabin review
At
at Fort Wilderness. We want to go see the Poly Tower. You know, tomorrow's just more to just do what we want today again.
Geyser Point.
Yeah, maybe we see the character warehouse because we have trucks. So anything we want to do. It's another free day, fun day, and that's it. Had a good day.